In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Gantt chart in Monday.com, 5 minutes. By the end, you'll have a clear visual timeline of your project that shows task durations and how everything connects, all built right from your existing board. First, log into Monday.com and open the workspace that contains the project you want to visualize. Navigate to the specific board you'll be using. The Gantt view is built on top of your board's data, so starting from the correct place ensures the chart is accurate and updates automatically as your team works. Before you create the chart, make sure your board includes a timeline column and ideally a dependency column. The timeline column provides the start and end dates for each item, which is what populates the bars in your Gantt. The dependency column lets you define relationships between tasks, like saying one task can't start until another finishes. So the chart can display those connections with arrows. At the top of your board, click the plus icon to add a new view. From the list of available views, choose Gantt. Monday.com will open a new Gantt view tab for this board, instantly translating your items with timelines into a stacked, scrollable schedule. Next, open the Views menu by clicking More Options, typically shown as three dots in the upper right of the Gantt view. Select Settings. This is where you tell the Gantt exactly which columns to use and how to display the information. In the Timeline field, pick the correct timeline column for your board if it isn't already selected. Then review your group settings to control how items are organized. Matching your board's groups helps you scan phases or departments more easily. Finally, enable labels so each bar shows the item name directly on the chart. Labels make it much faster to read the schedule at a glance without hovering. Now use the dependency column on your board to connect related tasks. As you define predecessors and successors, you'll see arrows appear in the Gantt chart, visually mapping the relationships. This helps you identify the sequence of work and spot bottlenecks early. Keep dependencies meaningful and avoid circular links so the plan remains clear. From here, you can drag bars to fine-tune dates and immediately see the impact across related tasks. That's it. You've created a clean, configurable Gantt chart in Monday.com that stays in sync with your board and makes your project plan easy to understand and easy to manage.